This question requires us to calculate the annuity payments, or the PMT, for an ordinary annuity as well as an annuity due, given that we require $10,000 at the end of year 5 or a time period t equal to 5 and an interest rate of 6%. So let's start. First, let's calculate for an ordinary annuity. So once I turn on the calculator, before putting in any values, I need to ensure that I delete any past data. So second, FV, second, clear. So that removes any pre-existing data so that it doesn't affect our future calculations. So I'm going to start putting in values. So n equal to 5, 5, n, setting n as 5, interest rate per year as 6%, so 6 and I by y. Recall, the financial calculator does not expect a 6% or a 0.06, just 6 is sufficient. I don't have a lump sum in the form of a present value, so I have 0 PV. I need to calculate the PMT, but I do have a future value of $10,000, so I have 10,000, and FV, I'm going to compute my PMT, which tells me that in case of an ordinary annuity, I would need to invest 1,773.96 every year for 5 years to be left with a future value of $10,000 at the end of year 5, given an interest rate of 6% per annum. Now, let's look at how much I would need to invest if I have an annuity due or I start investing in the beginning of the year. So first off, I need to clear out any past data. So I have second, FV, second, clear. Since I'm looking at annuity due, I need to set the calculator to the begin mode. For that, I would do second, PMT, second, enter. So my calculator is now set to the begin mode. If I turn it off and on, I see that it is in the begin mode. It's expecting cash flows to come in at the beginning of the year. So I'm going to put in values. So n equal to 5. So 5 and n. So setting n equal to 5. Interest rate is 6%. So 6 and I by y, setting I by y equal to 6. I don't have a lump sum in the form of a present value, so I have 0, PV equal to 0. I have to calculate or compute my PMT. I have a future value of $10,000. So 10,000 in future value, and compute my PMT, giving me a PMT of 1,673.55. So in case I want $10,000 at the end of year 5 or a time period t equal to 5, and I choose to invest in the form of an annuity due, I would need to put away only 1,673.55 every year, which is comparatively less than that I would need to put away if I look at investing via an ordinary annuity.